Pockets full of lint, dreams in the dryer. Hustle so high, set the block on fire. Coins clinking symphony, broken man's choir. Eating ramen, but my thoughts taste finer. Yeah. Whispers in the alleys, shadows in the stairwell, echoes of the grind, every story I can tell. Blueprints on napkins, scribbled with flair, building empires from this folding chair. Pocket change, but I'm rich in the brain. Silver in my palm, gold in the game. Pocket change, flipping dimes into fame. Stack it high, stack it slow, ain't it all the same? Kick scuffed up pavement tattoos, scraping up crumbs for the rent past due. Eyes on the skyline, hands in the muck. Dreams riding shotgun in a beat-up truck. Yeah, wristwatch broken, but my time is impeccable. Turning scraps to gourmet, efforts delectable. The city's my canvas, spray paint and ink. Ideas flood the brain quicker than I blink. Empty wallet, but my soul stays stacked. Rich in ambition, no need for plaques. Fame ain't the target, legacy's the aim. Pocket change,